We need to get grass in our front yard in an area located under a large oak tree. The area is in shade all day. What is the best kind of sod to have installed, and when is the best time to lay it? This is Joe in Bartlett, Tennessee. So as you can see, there's pretty large oak tree.
Large oak tree, yeah.
A lot of shade.
A lot of shade.
Are they going to have any success with grasses under that large?
He
oak
can,
tree?
and then looking at it too, look like the soil is kind of compact under there too. He had the sort of soil compact in there, and he have two choices. He can look at his sons. If he get about at least four hours of sun, he might be able to go with a zoysia grass like we get the palisade or roar. But if not, he don't have to go with a fescue lawn.
Right. Because it's, again, shade all day.
Like shade all day. Yeah.
Unless you think about limit up some of those branches.
But, you probably need to go with a fescue sod, and the best time to lay that is in the fall of the year.
Okay.
And in there, because it's good. If you can't find you can sod it in the fall of the year, or you can find some seed. You can seed in the fall of the year.
Okay.
And if you want to sod it, you during the summertime, you might keep it more. You have to keep it water a lot.
Right.
You have to keep a lot of water on it.
It is a cool season grass.
It's a cool season grass, yes, and it might not do it well with the sun. Hit it so hard in there. So I probably wait till the fall to do that, and before the sod I seed it.
Okay. So again, your suggestion would be the fescue. We're talking about shade.
Yeah, fescue.
Now, if you limb, some of those branches up and get enough sun down there for maybe the 4 to 6 hours,
4 hours,
then you would go with
a zoysia, something like a palisade or raw zoysias, and try to look at those two in there and see how they work in there. But the fescue is probably your best out.
Okay. And something else we should mention as well. Yeah. Get your soil tested.
Get the soil tested.
Right.
Yeah, get the soil tested. They'll tell you before you're doing that, because you don't want to waste your money putting your sod. Because sod is not cheap now.
Okay.
Sod is not cheap and stuff in there.
Right.
But like looking at that tree, that soil is real compact.
Okay.
You need to aerate that real good, and then lay that sod in there.
Okay. Would he need to add any type of soil or compost, anything on top?
I wouldn't do anything to that. Okay. You might want to get, if it's real bad, you might want to get a garden tool and try to run across and try to till up a little bit for that grass to come in good contact with some soil. Okay. So he might want to do that. He don't have much time, but he can make it work.
He can make it work.
Now, if you seed it, sometimes you might overseed it by at least by 3 years. To get a good stand. Okay. Overseed it, sometimes you get a really good stand.
Filling the gaps.
Filling the gaps in there, yeah.
Okay. All right, so there you have it, Joe. Yeah, we think you might be successful with that.
I think he said, he can do that.
Get that soil tested.
Look at that tree and the soil test. He take some time, want him to work in there. He can get in there. He can do that in there. So yeah.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.